2020 BMW M5 Competition. This thing is such a beast. So 617 horsepower, V8. He just wanted a little resonator delete right there in the middle. Cut the resonator out, replace it with some 3-inch piping. Obviously the next move, like you guys know, would be the muffler delete right here. But this thing is gonna sound so sick with just the resonator delete. We hit him off with these M Performance carbon fiber tips. We wanted to go with those. It was a little difficult. If you take a look under here, it was a little difficult because we couldn't put the quad tips with the single inlet. We had to do individual ones. Jade, show them a little bit B-roll of this car, yo. It's dope. We're gonna bring it down for you guys in a second. I wanna show you the interior, the seats, the roof, all carbon fiber. This thing is dope. Check out the tips, guys. Yeah, like I said, this fucking car is sick. Look at this roof, all carbon fiber. Check out the interior of this thing. Check out those headrests, guys. Resonator delete, M5, 620 horsepower. Pull all the girls in this thing. Listen to this thing. Ready?